this is Dawn Reby, and on behalf of NHTSA and IATList, I'd like to invite you to our very first session of our automation series, Automation A to Z. So this particular one is stats reporting in Excel, right? So what we're going to do in session one, stats reporting in Excel, is we're going to show you how to automatically link files together, link sheets together in Excel, in PowerPoint, in Word, in other analytical products. And so really helping you to think critically of your analysis to set up automation strategies in Excel. So go ahead, click the link below right now and register for our very first session in automation A through Z. So remember, these sessions, this whole series, which is a 3-part series, is for law enforcement analysts who are sick of spinning, who are sick of doing the same thing over and over again, who are looking to tighten up their efficiency strategies and really streamline their systems so that they can stop wasting their time doing the things over and over again and really just focus on those proactive strategies, those proactive analytical products that they can provide for their detectives and for their officers to succeed. So learn automation in session 1 right now by clicking on the link, register, and commit. See you there.